Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Christian here, back at you for Sneaker Talk with a brand new sneaker battle. We're fighting with my sister today, and for those of you guys who don't know who my sister is, give them a quick little 3-second intro, and then we'll get to the video.
I'm Nicole, aka sister or Sneaker Talk sister, and I bought Yeezys today.
Okay, so that happened. That is what we're gonna get into right now. I did a vlog yesterday where I went shopping for these Yeezys, so if you guys want to check that video out, I'll leave it linked down below. But basically, I bought a pair of sneakers there, including the Yeezys, and my sister also ended up picking up a pair of Yeezys, and I wanted to do a little sneaker pickup battle and hear from you guys in the comment section down below which shoe you guys like better, which was the better pickup, and why. And if you guys do like this kind of style of video, let us know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to do more of them. But with that said, we're filming a bunch of videos today. Like, I'm on this couch right now, but I'm probably about to film 10 more videos after this. I'm about to go to Japan, and they have a lot of videos on the way. So hit that notification bell if you are subscribed already. And if you're not subscribed, think about it. With that said, we went to Scarborough Town Center. I got a pair of shoes from the Adidas store right here. Very, very happy with this pickup. They didn't have my exact size I wanted, but I'm still happy. And Nikki, what did you end up, or what store did you get your shoes from?
With the
Champ Sports, we know game.
And they had these sitting there.
Yeezys.
So.
They had Yeezys sitting at Champs. It's 2018. It's pretty normal. So
yeah.
They surprisingly had my sister's size. I basically told her, I'm like, don't get your hopes up, because usually when it comes to women's sizing, it's sold out right away.
Yeah.
Because the resellers love getting the women's and the smaller sizes, because that's the sizes that people are gonna pay resale for gifts for their girlfriends, their sisters, their wives, anyone, a girl that is not really into shoes and buying them on release day. So this is your first pair of Yeezys?
Yeah, I've never spent this much on shoes. I am totally impulsive and going to regret it.
$300.
I could have bought AirPods. I could have bought
You could have bought AirPods, man. You could have been living the life.
Well, next paycheck.
$300 Yeezys, $220 in America. What's the most expensive pair of sneakers you've owned before this? What's the most you've ever paid for a pair of shoes? Because $300 is the maximum, pretty much, for regular shoes, and then you're creeping up into designer brand territory.
Yeah.
So what's the most you spent besides $300?
Usually all the shoes I get are either on sale or a good deal to begin with.
Mm-hmm.
Most I probably paid was $150.
Yeah. Damn.
Something around that.
So this was definitely impulsive. I left the house and she was like, hey, let me know if there's Yeezys. I'm like, okay, we'll see about that. We'll see about that. So I'll show you guys her pickup first.
I haven't even opened them. I haven't even touched these shoes yet. I've just seen the pictures and the reviews he's made.
Mm-hmm.
Not reviews.
I haven't made my review yet, but
and
I will.
The videos he's made about them.
So go ahead and.
Did you get the same shoes? Is that
well, this is the same shoe. I picked up a pair of Statics as well. I did buy 2 pairs online, but the thing is, I won't be able to review them until I'm back from Japan. So I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna go buy a pair in real life so I can get this review up ASAP for you guys. So I have a pair too. This is not the pair for the sneaker battle. So go ahead.
Okay. Oh.
Well, we know what you got, but got the premium brown paper.
Ooh.
And damn.
Okay.
The sniff.
Have to do the smell.
You gotta sniff it. Yep.
It smells pretty new.
Yep.
So first impression is that they look pretty similar to the pictures. This mesh thing.
Yeah, the see-through mesh.
Would that even affect the fit if I was wearing black socks or something?
I don't think. Well, you're gonna be able to see the socks a little bit.
Okay.
Not completely like the Converse that are completely see-through, but you'll be able to tell what color socks you're wearing.
I just want to try them on.
She already wants to try them. Go ahead. She's never tried on Yeezys before.
Wait, I have.
Not in your own size. You've tried on my size 10 Yeezys.
No, my friend has these.
Oh, your friend has Yeezys? Okay. They look good.
Oh, They look
good. I'd say they stink, but they're brand new, so I can't say they stink. How's it feel having your first pair of Yeezys?
I feel like I've made it. I am finally a sneakerhead.
First of all, explain to me why you bought this particular Yeezy. Tell me the thought process behind this release.
There really was no thought process. I was getting paid this week, so I decided to be impulsive and get a pair of Yeezys because I've never had the chance to actually go out and buy them. And you were going out, so it's like,
yeah.
the plug.
Yeah, typically Yeezys don't sit like this. So for someone who's more of a casual sneakerhead, you could say, who isn't like up to date on the releases, it's a lot easier for them to buy these kind of shoes.
And honestly, like I didn't buy them for like any resale value or to be a hype piece or anything. They honestly like just look good with like outfits, and like as a girl, like Yeezys look good on girls. So yeah.
Let us know in the comments down below what you guys think about girls wearing Yeezys. I know that 90% of my audience is guys or are guys. So for my 90% of guys, what are your thoughts on girls wearing Yeezys? Like, would you roast my sister if you saw her wearing Yeezys, or would you be like, damn, she got some shoe game? Let us know. So I picked up a pair as well. May as well actually bring them out. Let's bring them out. Oh my gosh. We better not be matching.
They're the same, literally the same color.
Your slipper and your Yeezys are the same colorway. That was obviously planned, obviously. All right, so before we show you guys my sneaker choice for the sneaker pickup battle, we got my mom, and we want to show you guys her reaction to these Yeezys my sister just picked up.
So, Mom, these are my new shoes.
Oh. Why is it 7?
Because it's men's size.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's good.
So, tell me what you think.
Okay.
You can open it. Open it.
Where is it? Han, I don't know how to open this.
My mom did a review of the Oxford Tan 350s V1s if you guys want to see that. But here we go.
I like it.
Wow.
Of course, I can wear it. Now I have a Yeezys, right?
My sister steals my mom's shoes all the time and ruins them. So I guess my mom can ruin these too, right?
Oh, I like it enough. Look, it has a transparent thingy.
Yeah.
See-through.
How much do you think I paid for them, Mom?
Ooh, the price question. Uh-oh.
How much?
Yes.
300?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This is the most expensive shoes I ever wear.
I haven't worn them yet.
I will wear it now.
She just took off her Value Village sneakers.
Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Exposed.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
I like it, Nick.
How do they feel, Mom?
It's nice, but it's so sharp. It's so pointy. But you know what? I don't like the color so much.
Okay, then you don't have to wear them.
No, I can still wear them. Yeah, it's pointy. Why is it pointy, honey?
Because that's the design Kanye made.
I like the zebra though.
Oh, you like the zebra,
The
Mom?
black one?
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
like that.
Oh, the black.
Me
Oh.
of the blue tints.
Yeah. I like it more.
Okay.
It's more attractive. Like,
Okay.
no harm done, but I will still wear it, honey. I'm gonna try wearing it.
Next up, let's show you guys my pickup. Now my pickup is in a boost box, bam, right here. And we picked this up, or I picked this up at the Adidas store right after going to Champs. And I was not expecting to find these in my size, but sure enough, they had them. So here we go. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Here we have it. These are the Adidas UltraBOOST OG. Let me give you guys that little close-up action right now. Oh my gosh. Yes, the OG UltraBOOST. This is the remake version of it. The 1.0s, but with the Continental bottom for that extra durability. And this is a shoe that I have been wanting for a long, long time. If you guys know, I actually did a review on this sneaker like a long time ago when they originally released back in 2015 or 2014. I think it was 2015. And before I get into the story, did you know I ever owned these or not? Collection?
Honestly, all your Ultra Boosts look very similar, so I can't really tell.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough. So yeah, this is an UltraBOOST that sat on the shelves for a couple weeks, and then Kanye West wore them, and they slowly started to sell just because Kanye, you know, promoting that more of a lifestyle look for this performance sneaker. So I was working at Foot Locker at the time, and even with the employee discount on these shoes, I could not afford to keep an expensive pair of UltraBOOST in my collection. So after I did the review, I returned them, and then a year later, they were reselling for like $600 to $800. Like resale freaking skyrocketed. So I was like, damn, I had those. I paid employee discount 30% off for these, and I returned them back to the store just because I couldn't afford to keep them. Things have changed. Things have changed, okay? Now I actually have money, so I can buy stuff and not have to worry about affording them or not. So we got the UltraBoost OGs, very happy. So that's my pickup. That's my story with the OG UltraBoost right here. So if you guys made it to this far in the video, the most important part, the end, let us know. Let me take these off your feet in the comment section down below. Who won today's sneaker pickup battle? My sister with
the static Yeezys,
or my OG UltraBoost? Let us know in the comment section down below. You can also click or tap the poll up there, and that also will, you guys will see the actual results in the percentage versions. And yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's pickup video. If you guys own either of these sneakers too, let us know in the comments down below. Smash that thumbs up button, and if you guys are looking forward to the content on the channel, you'll be pleased to know we're going to Japan tomorrow. I can't hype that up enough. I'm so excited to go back to Japan. And of course, shout out to Defaced for the sweaters. If you guys are curious about the sweater, want to get some dope stuff during the Boxing Week sale, check out Defaced Streetwear. I'll leave them linked down below. With that said, we'll catch you guys over in the next video. And Nikki, any final words?
Happy New Year's, guys.
I'm done right now. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
So if you guys made it to the very end of the video, Nikki, what should they do?
Do you guys think that the left shoe looks better or the right side looks better?
So
Comment
factory laced or loose lace. Comment down below which lacing style is better.